Hi, I'm Nick McLean from Howden, and I'm standing here in our Renfrew Factory on front of our Roots Rotary Lobe Blowers. And I thought I'd take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about the products that we make for the wastewater industry. Howden provides blowers and compressors that provide air for aeration in the wastewater industry. We have, as I'm standing in front of the Roots Rotary Lobe Blowers, we also have our EasyAir Rotary and EasyAir Turbo products, and the KA series of turbo compressors. These products are reliable ways of filtering air in your wastewater treatment process and are used in various applications such as grit chamber aeration, diffused aeration, membrane bioreactor and sludge drying. The wastewater industry relies purely on performance, and all our products are designed to give you the utmost performance, coupled with our uptime solution that gives you performance optimization on demand. Find out more on our social media channels, YouTube, LinkedIn, or on our website www.howden.com for more information.